G'day, Brad from the Life Pharmacy Group here. It's been another fantastic year for our group. We've been recognised with some amazing awards, including Pharmacist of the Year from the Australian Patients Association and Pharmacy of the Year for Coolman Court Pharmacy down here in Canberra. Again, we're looking for interns to join us on our quest to be Australia's best pharmacy group for 2023, and we've put together a little video with some of our interns from this year to give you a bit of an idea what you can expect from an internship with a Life Pharmacy Group. Put your applications in, can't wait to meet you all. Thank you so much.
My name is Georgia. I studied pharmacy at C2 in Orange, where I also grew up. I've been working in pharmacy since I was 15 as a junior, so for about 7 years now.
G'day, I'm Ash, the Coolo intern. I'm from Orange. I like windmills and bikes.
My name's Nick. I'm a pharmacy intern at Interns Pharmacy in Canberra. I studied pharmacy at University of Canberra and did a placement here and loved it, and they had me on for the internship.
Hi, my name is Caitlin. I'm an intern at Lanyon Pharmacy. I completed my Bachelor of Pharmacy at the University of Canberra last year, and I've been working here since January. I am originally from Grenfell, New South Wales, which is in central west New South Wales.
I studied pharmacy just because just know a lot of good pharmacists in my life and just want to kind of be like them, yeah.
Working as a junior helped me to understand the importance of primary healthcare, as well as seeing how appreciative the local community are to have our help and support made me realise how rewarding of a job it would be.
Well, I think there's two things to it. I really enjoyed the clinical side of it, knowing everything about medicines and how they work, etc. Really, that engages me, but also being able to sort of come in every day and speak to people who are, could very easily be my grandma, but they're always somebody else's. That gives me joy at the end of the day, so that's what I wanted to do.
I chose LPG as they offer a wide range of professional services, and they also base themselves off of a customer service based model, which I find something really important within the healthcare industry.
I personally originally did a placement at Flannery's Pharmacy in Forbes, and I got to know Sarah, who's the owner and pharmacist in charge there, and she became my mentor for my rural pharmacy scholarship. And then through that I got a job working at Coolman Court Pharmacy in Western, and I worked there for my final year of university, and then when I finished my Bachelor of Pharmacy I decided to do my intern at Lanyon, having worked at Coolman Court and Flannery's as well. And I just really love all the pharmacists I've met through LPG, and I really think they do a great job of mentoring new pharmacists, pharmacy students, and helping their communities.
Oh, well, so I was already working here because I did a placement and loved it, and they said, why don't you come on board? And Nick said you should do your internship here as well. They do a good amount of sort of interesting stuff. It's not just typical pharmacy stuff. They like to put their fingers in many pies, and I think that's fantastic. They're always at the edge of pharmacy.
Oh, I chose LPG, it was the only choice really, just know everyone in the group, just a good time.
Just doing sort of something different every day is nice. As I said, they're always trying to do new things, and if there's something new that pharmacists are able to do, I can guarantee you that LPG is going to be doing it. So everyone I work with is fantastic. All the other pharmacists are great to learn from as well.
I think the best thing about LPG is just the laid back atmosphere, just everyone's really easy to talk to, everyone gets along, yeah.
I love how broad the professional services are within LPG, as different stores have different strengths. At the moment I'm really enjoying vaccinating, and I'm really excited to find a niche for our Orange store.
I really like everyone who I work with, all the pharmacists and the other staff as well, that everyone is willing to do anything they can to help our patients and our community. So whether it's helping sort out an issue with a script, staying late to run an after hours vaccine clinic, whatever it is, our staff are here for our communities, and that's what matters in pharmacy.
Yeah, I think my favourite thing about clinical services is just the variety. Got everything from methadone to wound care, got men's health, meds checks, everything in there. It's great.
Oh, that's a tough one. I guess just the fact that we do all that stuff, and they're happy for me to dive in and do it. Like, you know, if there's a vaccine to be done, then we're doing it. If we're doing meds checks with people, then we're doing it. Some pharmacies really don't get engaged with everything, and I think that's a bit of a waste, to be honest.
I love how broad the professional services are within LPG, as different stores have different strengths. At the moment I'm really enjoying vaccinating, and I'm really excited to find a niche for our orange store.
So my typical day as an intern includes taking scripts in, doing scripts out, counselling patients on medications, all those sorts of things. And then also our professional services, so lots of vaccinations now that we're doing COVID vaccinations, and now that it's flu season we're doing a lot of flu vaccinations. We also do meds checks, and at the moment we're doing a special osteoporosis enhanced meds check program. It's a trial through the University of Sydney, so that's been good as well. And we also do sleep studies on occasion.
Depends on the day, depends on which day of the week. Today there was a lot of vaccines because we're obviously still in the middle of the pandemic, so vaccines play a large role in what I do. But I could be doing, really anything. Counselling patients on their medication. I'm solving problems with them in the pharmacy on the floor. I'm doing meds checks. I could be up in the Webster room doing Webster pack stuff. So yeah, wide variety of stuff.
So a typical day involves vaccinating, some dispensing, helping with OTC sales and counselling, as well as some meds checks and some leave certificates.
That's a tough one. I think I'll say I've got two. One, I've just had a good opportunity to help a few patients that have really filled me with a lot of joy. Being able to help people with their medicines, make sure everything's going right for them. But a month ago we also got to go out to the embassy in Canberra, the Japanese embassy, and vaccinate the ambassador, and I think that was pretty cool as well. So
I think my highlight to date was probably picking out someone who had shingles. It was just really great. They came in, didn't know what was going on, and they had shingles, and I helped them out. It was great.
My highlight so far was going to APP at the Gold Coast. I went with the interns from Erindale as well as some of the staff from Coolman Court Pharmacy, and I saw them win Pharmacy of the Year, which was definitely a highlight as I used to work there. And it was also a really great learning opportunity. I learned a lot from the presenters there and the other staff there who knew everything about everything, so it was really great.
I love being able to provide a high level of customer service and being able to see our customers regularly to check in and see how their health is improving is a very rewarding experience. I also love the learning opportunities us as interns have been given so far across the group.